That's gonna be a boom. Hefty. See?
Closing due to the heat.
I heard places like they told me today at work that there's places going around because they had to close because they don't have any air conditioning in the kitchen or in the back room.
That's what this was.
Oh, we could go to that place, me and Simon.
Yeah, their pancakes here are as large as the Rotzel's one. Full plate-sized pancakes, chocolate chip. They got they got blueberry here, but the other one, same size. Hello. There's a place to sit out back. This is where we, and those are the yeah.
We changed the menu.
Which one are you gonna do? How much is each one?
I don't know. Insert credits to play.
Maybe you gotta purchase credits at. Oh, is that a place to put your card? No.
Oh, put it in cash. Okay. I'm trying to put it in the card.
Oh, it's a card that cash in. Okay. If you want Chris Bill, there they go. Oh, cool. Okay.
Credits $1. Which one should I play?
Wings of Freedom. Got the New York one.
Jackpot Buffalo.
Okay, so does that mean you only go one try?
What? Max bet is $1.
So that means
Credits
that's it.
$1. 50 cents is lowest.
Is that how much you'll win? Oh no, that's how much you're betting.
You're gonna.
Let's refresh, or do you hit the play button to start?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, well, if you lower the...
Well, I only got 50 cents more, so...
What's that?
0.
Does that zero it out?
Back to the dick thing.
No,
Well, I was thinking on doing the other one.
2 hours later.
I would have thought that you would have gotten something with him. But it's not the same size.
What if? Oh, refresh.
what is lower?
Oh!
Oh.
250.
Wait, what? Where? Oh, $2.50. Oh, I thought I said
Okay.
250.
Okay.
Taking it.
We got 250.
So what?
I
350?
mean, that one has a goat on it.
So you get back 350 because you put in that $1. Do you want to collect 3?
Yeah, and Wings of Freedom, there's a goat.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, that is a goat.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you can still go for another 50 rounds.
Yeah, you can go for the one with the goat.
So just do the goat one.
Okay.
Wings of Freedom. You got one. The lowest one you can do 50. Yep, one round. You can lower.
So I
Lower it?
can lower...
Non-zero.
Okay.
Okay.
What does it say?
Well, you're out. You're out.
Yeah.
$3.
$3.
Yeah.
A whole three.
Thank you very much.
You're most welcome.
Have a great day.
You as well.
Well, how about that? You end up getting $3 back. Quit while you're ahead. Exactly. No smoking beyond this point.
Office has no video recording.
Okay.
But yeah.
And very well. Phantom?
They say they don't need us. They do. Mantis doesn't need us.
Yeah, here, you grab it. What is that? You bet. That's a new one. I have not read that one yet.
Bad Bob.
Bad Bob. Okay, I'll read it first and I'll hand it to you.
And I got congratulations.
Okay, well, you read that, hand out to me, and I'll hand this one to Thomas after I'm done.
Okay. This one is $50.
Why $50 limit?
That's what
though?
their minimum is.
That's ridiculous. At least $50. That's a weird policy that they got there. Yeah, there's a gas station down there. There's a gas station down there. It's like at Lawrenceville, a little town down there, yeah. Oh,
Whoever's purchasing any vapes, lighters, guns, bombs, outside, in your car.
I don't have anything.
Alright. Security guard. I just need whoever's purchasing.
Okay.
Well,
Well, I might. I
Alright,
might.
well, if you get 800 worth of product, you only spend 4. So if you're going to purchase separately, I do it together. You're going to figure out who owes who. because
Okay.
You're going to get
That's
the better
fine.
deal doing that.
Okay, then we'll do yours. That's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Busy day, I bet.
Oh my god.
A lot of people. This parking lot's crazy. You saw the parking lot, yeah. Yeah.
okay.
We keep all
Yep,
that.
the Wi-Fi password is welcome, exclamation point, capital W. You get no service in here. We're in a Faraday cage.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I don't think we're gonna use service. I don't think we're gonna use
Go.
service here. You're good. We don't have to open the back.
Got it?
Yeah, it's not too bad. It's not too bad, no. No, yeah. Oh, you're gonna get it. It's gonna be with you anyways. It's gonna be in the back here.
Okay.
You put a hole in it, or there was already a hole in it? Thomas, take care of the cart. Don't crash. Don't scrap the